To get white clothes white again, soak them overnight before washing them in a tub filled with hot water and a scoop of oxygen bleach, such as OxyClean. For extra tough stains, try using a scoop of dishwashing powder instead. The next day, launder your clothes the way you normally would. You can also soak your clothes in a tub of water with about 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters of chlorine bleach mixed in for 15 to 30 minutes, then launder them. However, keep in mind that bleach can be hard on many fabrics. To tackle individual stains, pre-treat the stained area with 3% hydrogen peroxide or a rust remover before tossing the item in the laundry. You can also brighten dingy white items by adding baking soda, vinegar, lemon juice, or commercial color remover to your washing machine, along with your regular detergent. If possible, hang your items out to dry in the sun, which has a natural bleaching effect.